In a bold countermeasure, China has announced sweeping 34% tariffs on all U.S. imports, effective April 10th, escalating the already intense trade war with the United States. This move directly responds to President Donald Trump's recent tariff hikes on Chinese exports, igniting fears of a global economic downturn. Boeing, the American aerospace titan, faces significant challenges as these tariffs threaten to inflate aircraft prices, potentially diverting Chinese buyers toward competitors like Airbus and China's own Comac. This development jeopardizes Boeing's recovery in the Chinese market following previous setbacks. The semiconductor industry is also bracing for impact. Intel, which derives nearly a third of its revenue from China, could see a substantial hit, with approximately $8 billion worth of U.S.-assembled CPUs exported to China annually now subject to these tariffs. Micron Technology, despite its global manufacturing footprint, isn't immune to the potential repercussions. The agricultural sector, a cornerstone of U.S. exports to China, is among the hardest hit. China's suspension of certain U.S. agricultural imports, citing safety concerns, exacerbates the strain on American farmers. Concurrently, heavy equipment manufacturers like Caterpillar, Deere & Company, and AGCO face compounded tariffs totaling up to 44%, threatening their competitiveness in the Chinese market. The financial markets have responded with volatility. The S&P 500 experienced its steepest one-day drop since the COVID-19 pandemic, with tech giants and industrial stocks bearing the brunt. J.P. Morgan has raised its recession risk forecast to 60%, reflecting growing concerns over the tariffs' inflationary effects and potential to dampen consumer spending. China's retaliatory measures extend beyond tariffs. The imposition of export controls on critical rare earth materials, vital for industries ranging from aerospace to electronics, signals a strategic maneuver with far-reaching implications for global supply chains. As this tit-for-tat tariff escalation unfolds, industries across the spectrum, from aviation and semiconductors to agriculture and heavy machinery, are caught in the crossfire. The global economy watches anxiously, hoping for a resolution to this intensifying trade conflict. For more in-depth analyses on international trade developments, U.S. economic policies, and their global ramifications, subscribe to our channel. Stay informed with expert insights and comprehensive coverage of the stories that shape our world.